My name is Teza. I am belonging to the 15th girl, and my opponent is Johannes. And our topic is on love versus infatuation. Love is every persons are connected with a great relationship called love.
Sorry, Teza, I can't accept you because in present day so many couples are there. Because they think that they are love, but after marriage they are coming to the conclusion they are infatuation. So love does not exist between the two.
No, love is a friendship that has hot fire, and it never ends, and it takes goods and goes always on day by day.
In friendship there is infatuation is there because if one person will choose the another, if one person choose the friend to another person, he will see the outerness of the another person. So it is the infatuation.
No, infatuation is there will be an endpoint for the infatuation, but the love is no, there is an endless.
So I will give for example two guys traveling in bike. Yeah, in both cases one guy definitely died, and their parents will pray a lot that my son will alive, my son will alive. So in parents law there is a infatuation. In parents law there is a selfishness there. After two other persons will have the selfishness. So in true love there is no exhibiting selfishness. So it is the infatuation.
No, it is not a topic of selfishness. Love means confidence. Love means trust, and there will be a security in the love.
It says that in love there is security. How can you say that in love you are saying that it's a security? Where is the security?
Love, how much you share, that much you in return you will get the same amount of love. But in infatuation, no return, there will be no infatuation for you.
In these days, the news we are hearing many news that in love, so many guys are bad activities and girls.
Okay, you told no, in love there will be no security. In love there will be security. One person takes care of you. One person always thinks about you. And that one person's love is too much, and it fills the heart also, complete heart, along with blood. So I believe strongly that love alone can give us completion in our life. And coming to the infatuation, it's just an attraction. It won't long last, but love long lasts, and it definitely protects us.
In infatuation, we can understand each other, but in love, there is no chance. Just we have to
No.
like a bond.
No, I won't agree with you. In infatuation, how can you understand each other? It's just an attraction. But in love, you can understand each other and you are getting married. Why you are getting married? Because of some understandings and some love. But without any understanding, there is no marriage also. So I strongly support that in love, there will be understanding between the genders. Not only understanding, and other parts also.
Infatuation is the first step to the love. So, I support that itself. Infatuation is the first step to the love.
No, one point, we are calling that India is a multi-religious country. Why? Every religions are staying in India. All the people are living together because there is a bond called love between them. Love not only depends on the genders, but love stays between the persons in the society also. So just you are telling the love between the male and the female. I am not pointing out the love between the male and the female. It depends on the people living in the society also. If you have positive attitude, then your love can support anything.
Yes, absolutely. But the mother's love is the best love. But in these days, guys are going here for bad. So, infatuation, they are going across the infatuation. They think that it's a love, but
No. Some people are maybe doing that, but not only the person, they are just telling about the genders, male and female, they are getting infatuated and they are thinking so love, and they are getting married and they are breaking up, you are telling them. But not depends on the genders. Maybe between the people also there will be love. Not only maybe, there will be love between a teacher and a student, between friends, between the father and daughter, between mother and daughter.
that's what I'm saying. But infatuation, attraction between a girl and a boy. And talking about that.
Yes, you're telling it's an attraction, but I'm telling that love is not an attraction. It's a complete source in our life. Without love, no one can live. Love alone can give us complete satisfaction.
Then why much of breakups in love?
Yeah, misunderstandings. If they are not getting understanding, they are ready to break up.
Then there is infatuation, there will not be misunderstandings.
Yeah, in infatuation. Already before getting love only they are breaking up, so there will be no love in the infatuation. After crossing the stage of infatuation, the love is starting. In love there will be love, but only somewhat of misunderstandings.
Infatuation is the both earlier stages in the sequence of attachment.
Love is a completely thing. It is completely hard.
Infatuation is a state of being selfish, undesired, incomplete desires.
Love is lost now. It has no end.
In love there are many breakups.
Then it is not a love. It is infatuation. When you change in the positive way, the relationship that will change as well.
Infatuation is a state of being.
Okay, don't worry. Infatuation you are telling that it's a selfish thing. But in love, I'm supporting that it's not at all selfish. Why are you telling that it's selfish? And in love, there will be no selfishness because